Inside John Travolta's breathtaking fly-in Florida estate. Nestled in the lush landscapes of Florida lies John Travolta's extraordinary fly-in estate, a haven for aviation enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. This unique property is not just a home, it's a lifestyle, complete with private runways and aircraft hangars. Travolta, a licensed pilot, designed the estate with functionality and passion in mind, allowing him to seamlessly blend his love for flying and family life. The main house, an architectural marvel, boasts sweeping views of the runways, giving guests a front-row seat to the action. Inside, the decor is a mix of classic elegance and modern comforts, reflecting Travolta's refined taste and attention to detail. The sprawling living spaces are perfect for entertaining, with expansive windows letting in natural light and showcasing the meticulously maintained grounds. Bedrooms are sanctuaries of rest and relaxation, each with its own unique design, ensuring that comfort is never compromised. The state-of-the-art kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, is a chef's dream, making meal preparation a joyous experience. Beyond the main house, the estate features multiple guest houses, providing ample space for friends and family to stay and share in the luxury. The heart of the property is, undoubtedly, the private runway, which allows Travolta to take off at a moment's notice, embracing the freedom of flight. Adjacent hangars house his impressive collection of aircraft, from vintage planes to modern jets, each meticulously cared for and ready for adventure. Travolta's fly-in estate is more than a home, it's a testament to his passions, creating a unique retreat that is as dynamic and captivating as the man himself.